경찰은 주거단지에서 20명 이상의 패싸움이 일어났다는 신고를 받고 출동했는데요. 소란을 일으킨 청소년들이 도망치고 있어 추궁하고 있는 중입니다.
So I'm gonna tell you.
This ain't all I'm gonna tell you. You're gonna get
Come
in
on, what you doing that for?
Why? Because it's called loitering and prowling, and you're obstructing.
I just came my
him.
He ain't got nothing to do with that.
Who
He
are
just
you?
got school.
Who are you?
I'm his cousin.
You're his cousin?
I'm his cousin. I ain't do nothing. I just got over here. You can take me. You can take me. You can take me. I got my phone to myself. Come on. Hey, look, put your hands.
He's about to go to jail too.
Get the stop. Get the stop. Sir, stop. Please, sir, stop. Don't stop. Get the
Hey, y'all better back it up. Back it up.
It's my big sister, please. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. That's my big sister. Me, bro. My big sister, bro. Please don't do nothing.
Take me out these handcuffs. Put in the car. Step away.
Big sister.
Step away.
For what? I ain't doing shit.
Loitering and prowling.
I'm carrying my own. Get the out of me, bro. We got nothing to do. We just came over here. Well, get my sister. Get my sister the up off that ground. Or everything I'm gonna stick the out one of y'all officers. Oh, God. Let me go. I ain't got no Wi-Fi, man. Let me go.
Red shirt?
Hey, okay, I get down. Call my mama.
Where do you live? Then leave. Where do you live? Get your hands out of your pants. Where do you live at?
Don't touch me.
Where do you live at?
Huh?
Where do you live at?
Why you in my face, cousin?
All right, cool. Where are you getting hands up?
Nobody did to y'all.
I didn't do nothing to you. Stand
Yes,
up.
you did.
Because all I did was put you in cuffs.
Bro, give me the on this ground and get me out of these cuffs and take me home. See how y'all just dropped that body cam?
Calm down.
If you don't live here, leave.
I told you no. It's right
Hey,
What does know me? She want her phone.
No.
She ain't did shit, so why she can't get her phone?
Stand back.
Just ignore Austrias.
Yeah, just ignore me.
We will.
You want to go to jail?
My God, come to the garden. They got her in the car, bro.
Step away.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Stop talking. Why you keep talking? Just arrested him too.
Where do you live at?
미국은 무기를 소지하고 있을 수 있기 때문에 경찰의 명령에 무조건적으로 따라줘야 하는데요. 하지만 어떤 피해의식 때문인지 묻는 말에도 대답하지 않고 계속해서 체포됩니다.
Watch me. Where do you live at?
I ain't gotta answer your question.
All right, then cool. We're going to handcuffs. Come on. Number 5. I can do this all day long.
Last time you talked to me, you said you were going to kill us all.
I didn't say that. So we live out here? Yes. Okay, what apartment you live in? No, I don't live in this apartment. Okay.
I live here. What apartment? I live down the street.
I live here, but Hey, yo, hold up. Chill out. First of all, we're going to start this whole thing over.
How y'all doing?
Good.
I'm
How
her
are
mother.
you?
Why is my daughter in
Your
handcuffs?
daughter is in handcuffs because she was fighting and then thought it was a good idea for her to try to swing on the police. So as of right now, your daughter is about to go to the juvenile detention center. You can ask him questions. If you
Okay,
have
also, where's my son?
Who's your son?
Your little life He in the car too.
He in the,
They
he's
tried
in the
to
car
tackle. No, this is
because
what
he
happened. She was not fighting. They was jumping a boy, and then Rashad had jumped in, and I guess they tried to arrest him too. So that's when boy swung.
All right, we're going to stop all this. So this is the way this works.
That's your daughter?
That's my daughter, and that's my son.
Your daughter is under arrest. She hit 2 officers.
What did the officers do to my baby?
They tried to tackle. They tried to tackle Rashad, and that's when she jumped on him.
Hey, ma'am, excuse me. So right now, your son Rashad, I believe he's one of the ones we had detained as well. He's not being charged with anything, okay? Apparently, there was a large fight out here. We don't know why yet. As this large fight broke out, officers arrived on scene here, and we tried to gain control. Your son Rashad charged at one of the officers. He didn't get hit. He didn't hit anybody or anything like that, so he was detained.
경찰은 상황을 차분히 설명하며 어머니를 안심시키는데요.
So out of this whole fight, my daughter the only person going to jail?
As of right now, yeah.
Mom, I want to speak to my mother.
you keep hollering for me for? You don't think I can hear you? Do you not understand that I'm already pissed off? Because you told me that you was staying after school. So how the hell your ass end up pissed off?
He called me and said,
And I don't give a when nobody called you and said, and you supposed to be your ass at my house. So how you get crossed out to Savannah Gardens?
because they called and
I
said that
don't give a why is my daughter going to jail? Because you doing some extra.
no, ma'am, they was trying to jump more, and I jumped in.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me what exactly went on.
Because
Okay.
they were trying to fight the police officer.
So I'm the new senior manager here.
Okay.
I'm not going to tolerate it. So if you are tied into this and you live on my property, you're going to get a notice to vacate.
Okay.
Already done got it from
right.
my ADO.
Have you met Linda? This is the property manager.
You hurting anywhere, bud?
You okay? He slammed me on my head. My head is hurting. I fell dead on my body.
Do you want to go with EMS? Do you want him to go with EMS?
No, he's fine.
Alright, love you too.
I'm the mother.
Her?
My son, y'all just called me.
Other vehicle.
Oh, Jesus. Everybody knows? What is? What's going on?
He claiming he wasn't out here fighting. He got put in handcuffs because he was out here fighting at some point in time with somebody. So he's not getting charged today, but since he's a juvenile, we got to release him to your custody.
So what happened?
Big fight ensued and we showed up.
Who was he fighting? He fighting nobody. Come on.
Hey, face the vehicle for me.
Turn that way, CJ.
And so I'm not telling you what to do, but I think you need to make better decisions. I didn't say. So the point that I'm trying to get him to understand is regardless if he gets into stuff or not, who he hang out with, he don't need to hang out with.
He don't hang out with nobody.
He hang out with somebody.
No. That's my son. And he's not a problem child. No. Anything else?
Nope. Y'all are good.
Thank you. Every black child is not a problem child.
I didn't say he was.
I'm just saying how he acted. He was just walking and y'all put my child in handcuffs because he was walking.
So you believe your child over the police?
You damn right I'm cheating my child because I knew what I raped. The badge number anyway. You have a black stuff.
Officer Johnson, 6.
Okay, let me get a card.
I don't have a card actually.
Y'all gonna just go put him in handcuffs.
Because
And y'all ain't got a reason, so I don't. He wasn't fighting. He wasn't fighting.
Yeah.
Y'all is something else. Y'all better go to the ones that y'all need to go to. What happened? Stop that. Stop it.
No, not.
quiet.
You ain't coming out until your mom says so.
Send him right back in there for me, please.
Yeah.
Send him back in there. Can anybody tell me what's going on? What are the charges?
Loitering and prowling and obstruction.
Problem.
And obstruction. But
Do you know what your charges are? I'm getting sick of this. Why didn't you tell this man where you live at? This man ain't lying on you. I know your attitude. This man is not lying on you. You should not have came down here. It is a phone in the schoolhouse. Somebody is coming to get you. You know that. And then you got an attitude.
Ma'am, thank you.
같은 죄를 저질렀지만 아이들의 어머니가 이를 어떻게 대하는지 다른 점이 흥미롭습니다.